Okay, so I'm back again with the carrots. We had painted the long spindles. I painted it DIY paint with Summer Crush, and then I felt like after it dried, the Summer Crush was too rusty. So what I did was I got the DIY fire starter. It's one of the newer colors that came out last year. And what I did was mixed a little bit of this with the clear wax by DIY so that I could seal it. I didn't want to put more paint on it because I had already waxed it with clear wax. And it just didn't have that carrot orange look to me. So I went ahead and mixed a little bit of this with clear wax and put another coat of wax on it. And then I cut them. If you remember, they were long. And I was able to get 3 carrots out of 1 spindle size. So I went ahead and I wrapped a few, and I want to show you, and then I'm going to show you how I put the carrot tops on. So this is one of the spindles that we did. Here, there's a few of them. I did a few. Out of the spindles, there were 4 of them that had these little holes on them, so I left them in there. And my husband Mike, he had a really cool idea. He said you should put a piece of wood in there, paint it orange, and put a couple of eyes on there just to give the appearance of somebody's face. So I'm not sure if I want to do that or not. What do you guys think? If you want to comment in the comments below and give me your ideas if I should do that. But right now I think I'm just going to go ahead and put all the tops on. But they look really cool as a bundle. See? Can you see how those are? A bundle of carrots there. So those are there, and I'm going to sell these in my store. So we're Artfully Rooted. I'm Dottie Matheson, and I'm going to sell these in my store. So today I'm going to show you how to take the frond apart and then show you how I wrapped the little green carrot top. I got these at Walmart. And I just pull it off, and then we just take it off. There's a wire like thing here, so I pulled all that off and then took all the old wrap off. And so what we have here is like, let me pick it up close, that, see the palm frond or whatever. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it in half because I'm going to wrap. I don't need that much on there, so I'm cutting them in half. Whoop. Scissors are over here. Grab them. So we're cutting it right in half. And then I took hot glue to hold the frond in place. So I just put a little bit of hot glue, but you have to be careful when you put the frond on there. Wait a minute for the glue to like settle down a little bit with its heat, because it starts to melt the frond a little bit. And I'm grabbing my floral tape. So you just take that, and on one of the ends just kind of wrap it around. You can see how that's starting to make it melt. So if you want to grab that, hold for a second, and then take your floral tape and then just wrap it around like this. Okay, so, and there you have it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and I'm just going to paint the tips of where it got cut. I'm just going to paint the tips orange and then put a little wax over it, clear it up with that, and then I'll have my carrots. Okay, so yeah, if you like my channel, please subscribe and also hit the like button. And leave a comment below. I love to read your comments. If you have questions, I'll send a message and answer your questions for you. So thank you. It's Dottie from Artfully Rooted Marketplace. Thank you.